Why don't fire hydrants freeze solid during a deep freeze? The answer hides deep underground, where nobody ever looks twice. Think of the ground like a giant, cold, frozen blanket. The main valve sits way down, safe from the chill. If there is no water inside, there is no ice. Gravity pulls the remaining water down into the gravel bed. It is essentially a self-draining system that resets every time. Engineers are basically geniuses at keeping our cities very safe. Next time you walk past one, give it some respect. Tap the screen to see how your city water flows. Ice expands with enough brute force to shatter solid iron. Early cities learned this lesson through absolute, fiery disasters. Frozen hydrants left firefighters holding empty, useless brass nozzles. Trapped water acts like a ticking pipe bomb in winter. Yet, modern hydrants sit outside in sub-zero blizzards safely. They don't use electricity or expensive thermal heating blankets. Instead, the secret lies buried deep beneath your feet. A massive underground chamber keeps the actual water hidden. But how does the water get down there so fast? The clever mechanical trick relies on a hidden self-draining valve. The secret isn't magic, it is just very deep plumbing. Ground temperature stays surprisingly stable, even when air hits zero. The barrel remains empty, like an inverted umbrella waiting patiently. Gravity pulls every last drop out through this clever hole. Think of it like a cork held against intense pressure. Engineers made the bolts break before the main valve snaps. City crews check these valves before the first snow falls. It is buried deeper than your average basement foundation wall. Without that drain, you would have a giant ice pop. But what happens when the pressure actually gets released? Watch. Static water in pipes is basically a ticking ice bomb. The hydrant relies on gravity to keep itself bone dry. Engineers bury the main shutoff valve deep below the frost. A tiny weep hole lets residual water drain away safely. It is a dry barrel system, meaning no water stays. When you shut it off, the barrel empties immediately. Genius. Ice cannot form if the hydrant is completely hollow inside. If that drain clogs, you get a frozen disaster instead. Wait until you see what happens when we turn it. Deep underground, a secret valve keeps water far below freezing. The barrel stays empty, so there is nothing to freeze. Gravity pulls residual water down, acting like a giant drain. Cast iron is tough, but it hates expanding ice crystals. Rubber gaskets reseal tightly, blocking moisture from the main line. Turn the top, and the main valve opens instantly underground. Water rushes up, filling the chamber only when needed now. It is like a straw, but with massive industrial force. Simple engineering ensures the city stays safe all winter long. The secret lies in a valve located deep underground today. Most hydrants are dry barrels, meaning they hold no water. When closed, a tiny weep hole lets residual water drain. That drain point sits well below the local frost line. Gravity pulls the remaining water into the surrounding dry soil. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates. It is a brilliantly simple fix for a massive problem. This ensures the hydrant works instantly during any emergency call. Next time you walk past one, you'll know its secret. Deep underground, a clever secret valve keeps the water away. It is called a dry barrel hydrant, and it works beautifully. The actual water valve sits safely below the local frost line. A tiny drain hole at the bottom lets remaining water escape. Gravity pulls every single drop out into the surrounding gravel. With no water inside the upper barrel, nothing can freeze. Turning the top nut opens that deep, unfrozen water source. It is like drinking through a straw you completely empty after. But what happens if that tiny underground drain gets clogged? The magic happens deep underground, far below the frost line. These hydrants are empty when you aren't using them, honestly. A valve at the bottom keeps the water pressure away. Small holes let leftover water drain out into the soil. Without water inside, there is absolutely nothing to freeze solid. The ground stays warmer deep down, protecting the main valve. Turn the top, and the bottom valve opens instantly. Amazing. It is a brilliant, low-tech solution to a massive problem. The evidence points to a much deeper story.